Take my life, it belongs to you. Forever yours. From the moment I awaken to the closing of my day, let my heart remain surrendered. Let my life reflect your ways. Every breath I take is borrowed. Every step I walk is grace. I will never claim my own life. It is yours in every place. And I choose you in the morning, and I choose you in the night. You are more than just a feeling. You are all my life. I am forever yours. All my days and nothing more. Take my heart, take my soul. Let my worship lead me on. I am forever yours. Through the storm and through the shore, you are all I'm living for. I am forever yours. When the world begins to fade out and my strength is at an end, you remain my only refuge. You remain my closest friend. Even when I fail you often, even when I lose my way, still your mercy keeps on calling. Still your